It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you haven't been following, recently on Yon World, I've been revealing a lot of Spotify hacks that can help you increase your monthly listeners and increase your revenue on Spotify. Now, as you can see on my Spotify account right now, I'm currently generating 52,000 monthly listeners on my Spotify account, right? And if we go a little deeper into my Spotify for artists, you will see over the past month, right, I got over 152,000 streams on Spotify. And I've been teaching methods on how to generate these streams through API access tokens and playlists on my channel through different videos. I have them linked in cards, but still with all of the videos I've created about this, I get a lot of questions from people, asking simple things like, how do you fund the account? How long does it take for the promotion to start? What offers to pick? Can you help me design this? Can you help me do this? So I decided to update my website today, right? On my website, yonworld.org, it'll be a link in the description, but you will find a new tab on my website called Spotify. And on this tab, Spotify, I'm offering services that you guys been asking me about. Now, the first service I'm offering is the Spotify method, right? I'll promote your Spotify track for you. A lot of people don't have a Coinbase account. They're not verified yet. I have my Coinbase account over 5 years. I'm verified. I have a high limit on my Coinbase account. So, I can run promotions, any time of the day, any time of the night. I could buy Bitcoin, withdraw Bitcoin very easily on my account. So, with this, I decided to offer a service for you. I could promote your Spotify track for you. And with this, I'm charging $1.25 per 1,000 premium streams. Now, this is one of the best prices on the market compared to different sites that offer these services, right? This is one of the best prices. And for people, that want it done for you, a done for you service, I'll promote your song for $1.25 every 1,000 premium streams, right? Because I already understand the method and I already have a lot of the infrastructure set up, right? So that's the first service I'm offering on my website. The next service is branding. If you need a website, if you need a YouTube channel built for you, logo design, an animated video introduction like the one you saw in the beginning of this video, any social media profiles created for your business, you could partner with me and we can do that. And I'll design and I'll build all of these different digital assets for you, for your business, right? The third service I'm offering is consulting, or over the phone consulting about Spotify, YouTube, any type of motivational mentoring you may need. I could provide that for you. And we could talk for over an hour, just discussing business, discussing plans, anything you want to talk about, in a positive way, just to build with your boy Yon World. We could do that over a consulting session, right? And I'm offering this on my website. It's very easy, to go to any one of these services, right? All you have to do is come here, fill out your name and email address, right? If you want a branding offer or a consultant, I recommend filling out your name and email. But if you just want the Spotify offer, you don't necessarily have to fill out your name and email. You just have to pick the service, right, that you want, and then add your Spotify link. But if you want an online branding service, right, it's $250, and you would just enter in your name and your email and your phone number and then submit it, right? Or you could do a consulting session, or you could do the Spotify streams, right? What I want to show you right here with the Spotify streams is that I have another page that you can go to. If you click on the Spotify method, right, this is a full breakdown of how the Spotify method works, right? And if you scroll down here, I have a different order form, right, which you can select, if you want 1,000 streams, 10,000 streams, 100,000 streams, 250,000 streams, 500,000 streams, or 1 million streams, right? I have it all already categorized, right? And on this page, I have broken down exactly what you need to know about the Spotify method. Now, if you would come to this page, you know, from the initial link, I'll have both of these links within the description of this video. This is the main Spotify page, right? And then if you at the top, you just click the Spotify method. Like, let's say if you just wanted to submit for 1,000 streams, you would just go to your Spotify account, right? Click on the three dots, go to share, copy the song link, right? Go back to the website, and then you would paste that song link right here. Then you would submit the $1.25. Now, you could either pay through PayPal or you could pay through Stripe. Either one, you know, they're both payment safe and secure on my website. But we had a PayPal checkout now, and we have Stripe. So you could add the link again right here in the notes if you want to, but once you add it right here on the form, I'll get it, and I know what to do. I already know how to promote it and everything. And just to show you guys that it's paying out, I'm gonna go and log into one of my accounts, right? And you can see we in the month of November, right? And this is something I wanted to explain because a lot of people don't understand about streaming. This is not a fast money game, right? This is not a fast money game. We in November, and I'm just getting paid for what I've done in August, right? It's not a fast money game. If you read the bottom row, right, the fine print, you know what I'm saying? Monthly amounts with the asterisk are not final. Revenue can take 120 days to be received from the stores. So that's why, you know, when you read this page on the Spotify method, excuse me, I recommend doing large orders, right? Doing large orders at once or multiple small orders, because it takes time and you want to rack up as many streams. So when you're waiting on that initial payment, you know what I'm saying, you have a backlog of streams that are going to be paid, that are going to be paid out, you know what I'm saying? And you want to have big payments, right? You want to have bigger payments, and that's what I've been doing. I've been just recently on this specific account right here, I've been adding more streams to it to generate more income every month. But like I've said on multiple videos, I got multiple streams. I'll just show y'all this one because this is the one we started out showing y'all. We probably started showing it in June when it was paying out for June and May, but now y'all see we still getting paid out. It's August, I mean it's November, but we got paid out for August, so y'all can see how the streaming game works. You know, if you want a full breakdown, we can have a phone consultation. I'll break down exactly how the streaming game works. So if y'all have any questions, leave a comment. But if you really want to get my attention, go to my website and fill out the order form and work with me, you know, partner with me, whether, you know, it's through the Spotify method or any of the other consulting services I'm offering on my website. Now, thank you for watching. I hope y'all learned something new. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It's your boy. I'm out.